Hey everyone, we use the internet every day and we need some kind of protection for the internet connection. Cloudflare WAP and Zero Trust is a good way to do this. In this video, I will show you what is WAP, what is Zero Trust, how to install them, and how to set up. WAP is not a traditional VPN, but technically it is a VPN. Cloudflare provides a free app that makes your internet safer. Here are some benefits from the app. Zero Trust Security provides more protection. Go to Cloudflare website 1.1.1.1. Download the file according to your system. I use Windows for the demo. Open the download file, start the WAP installation. When you see the WAP pop-up window from the bottom left corner, your installation is done. We need to create a setting up file for the Cloudflare and put it in the Cloudflare installation directory. I'll put the code in the comment area. You can copy the code to create the file. The file name is mdm.xml. Let's change the view option to show the hidden file. Here is the default directory for the WAP installation. Copy the mdm file to this directory. Go to the left bottom corner to finish the WAP setting up. Accept the privacy agreement. Exit the web application for now. The WAP setting up is finished. We need to run it again. For the first time run, the WAP didn't protect your internet automatically. Click the button here to let it protect your internet. The WAP installation setup is done. Furthermore, you can use Zero Trust to do better protection. Go to WAP Preference. From here, log into Cloudflare Zero Trust. To do this, you need to go to the Cloudflare website to register for the Zero Trust. Depending on your need, you can choose paid plan or free plan. For the first time run the Zero Trust, you need to manually click the button to connect to let it active. If you see this pop-up window, that means your Zero Trust is running properly. Let's go to Network Property Center to check the connection. If you see the similar information in the two red frame, that means your Zero Trust is running properly. I have both Ethernet and Wi-Fi. Here it shows the Ethernet properties. This is the Cloudflare website. You can register your Zero Trust account and do the setting up for the Zero Trust. The following screens show you the example on how to set up the Zero Trust account. Thank you for watching. See you next time.